In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create payment links in GoHighLevel. Step-by-step tutorial. Payment links make it easy to collect money without building a full checkout page or funnel. You can drop a link into an email, a direct message, or even a chat, and your customer can pay in just a few clicks. Before you start, make sure your payment processor is already connected in your GoHighLevel account so the link can accept payments successfully. Let's begin inside your GoHighLevel dashboard. First, open the Payments area. This is your central hub for everything related to transactions, products, and billing. From here, go to Payment Links. This section lists any links you've created and is where you'll build new ones. Now choose the option to create a new payment link. This opens the setup screen where you define exactly how your link works. Take a moment to name your link clearly so you can identify it later. Think of a short, descriptive title your team will recognize. Add a description to set expectations for buyers, such as what the purchase includes or how they'll receive access. Next, configure the pricing. Select whether this is a one-time payment or a recurring subscription, and set the amount and currency that match your offer. If your business collects taxes, look for the tax settings and apply the correct rate. If you offer discounts, enable any coupon or promotion options provided. Customize the checkout experience to reduce friction. You can usually choose which customer details are required at checkout, like name, email, or phone, so collect only what you need to fulfill the order. If available, add a product image or your brand logo to build trust. Consider adding terms and conditions or a refund policy link so buyers know exactly what they're agreeing to. You can also configure what happens after purchase. Send a confirmation email, show a thank you message, or redirect to a delivery or onboarding page. If quantity limits, order caps, or payment plan settings are present, set those according to your offer. When everything looks good, click Save. GoHighLevel will create the payment link using your settings. Take a moment to review the summary you see after saving to ensure the title, price, and checkout fields match your intentions. If your account supports test transactions, consider running a quick internal test so you can experience the checkout exactly like your customers will. That's it. You've created a clean, professional payment link in GoHighLevel. Use it in emails, DMs, or on your website to start collecting payments quickly and reliably.